With Carrier Connect, you can simply send everything smoothly and exactly as you need it. From boxes, pallets, and containers to hazardous and refrigerated goods, as single or multi-package shipments. The mode of transport is entirely up to you, by truck, rail, ship, or airplane, including intermodal or combined transport. Sounds good? It actually gets even better. Carrier Connect covers every step in the shipping process. Shipping order creation, carrier selection, label and document printing, track and trace, and entry certificate. The result? Satisfied customers. After all, who wouldn't be delighted with higher delivery quality, greater transparency, and shorter delivery times? AEB Carrier Connect usually runs fully automated and unnoticed in the background. Integrated into your IT landscape via plug-and-play connection for all your SAP systems or via API into any IT system. If fully automated processes don't make sense for certain shipping orders, sending samples for example, your employees can simply complete them manually through a web interface. A wizard guides them through the process step by step. It couldn't be easier. AEB operates Carrier Connect as a cloud service in its own data centers in Germany, GDPR compliant and ISO certified, for maximum security, performance, and availability. It goes without saying that we never stop working on enhancing the solution, and we regularly connect new transport service providers. You currently have access to hundreds of carriers and parcel services offering thousands of services. Changing your transport partner becomes a much more relaxed process. After all, the carrier connections offered by AEB have already been fully set up and tested. In addition, industry leaders such as DHL, FedEx, or UPS have certified our solution. And what happens if a carrier changes their setup? Not a problem. AEB automatically ensures that all routing data, labels, or EDI remain up to date. This way, you always generate correct shipping labels, messages, and documents for all your carriers and parcel services. Carrier Connect is a powerful, fully automated application that generally runs unnoticed in the background. But how do you show something that you can't see? Luckily, our software offers a web interface for all your manual shipping needs. Let's take a look at it right now. A shipping process with Carrier Connect begins with the creation of a shipping order or shipment. The data usually comes from a delivery note in the host system and contains information on the consignor, package, and consignee, along with alternative address data such as a pickup address or customs broker. If no transport partner has been defined, you can easily select one from hundreds of connected carriers and parcel services, including associated services such as access point delivery, paperless invoices, or Saturday delivery. If your selection is not possible, for example, if a package is too large, too heavy, or value-added services cannot be combined, the software issues a warning. Carrier Connect even supports the shipment of hazardous goods. Whether by air, sea, or road, all important fields for ADR, IATA, or IMDG are already provided. The solution is also your perfect assistant for returns and pickups. Simply specify where and when the pickup will take place. You can include the returns label in the package or have your customers printed on demand. It is also possible to specify customs debtor and freight payer addresses, for example, if you opt for the chargeable delivery terms. And for third country shipments, you can enter a customs broker. When creating shipping labels, Carrier Connect impresses with super fast printing speeds. This allows you to easily send tens of thousands of packages per day and use automated label applicators. Another benefit is the extreme flexibility of the AEB solution. For example, when it comes to the choice of printer, you can use laser, thermal, and industrial printers from a wide range of leading manufacturers. Before your shipments are picked up, you can easily complete the day-end closing. The AEB solution transmits the EDI data directly to the transport service provider and prints out the manifest or the loading list. Thanks to the integrated tracking features, you are always up to date on the delivery status of your shipments. You can access the transport partner data through the API and transfer it directly into your ERP system. What's great about this is that you can use the data as proof of shipment for those all-important entry certificates. Carrier Connect automatically stores all necessary information for the statutory retention period. Another highlight is the integrated business intelligence tool. Simply click to generate standardized reports on shipping volume by region or by carrier, for example. Or use predefined data models to create your own reports in a flash. The Carrier Connect API is your key to simple, flexible, and reliable integration into any IT system, as required for your logistics processes. The API works with fragmented function calls and ensures maximum performance even with high shipping volumes. Thanks to our detailed documentation and wide range of supporting media, you can easily implement the API by yourself for maximum cost effectiveness. In addition to integration via API, multiple AEB partners offer ready-made interfaces to numerous ERPs, shop, and WMS systems. This means that you can get started quickly and with minimal stress. Successful logistics relies on successful collaboration, particularly in times of extreme fluctuations and uncertainty. With Carrier Connect, you can create the perfect foundation for this. And with AEB, you have a long-term, reliable innovation partner at your side. A partner that is trusted by more than 7,000 companies.